To make the salmon croquettes, you'll need 1 16-ounce can of pink salmon or red sockeye salmon or mackerel. It depends upon your choice preference. If your family is larger, you can just double this recipe. To that, I'm also going to add a medium chopped onion, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose white flour, black pepper, and Himalayan pink salt. I really like the Himalayan pink salt because you don't have to use as much of this as you do the iodized white type. You'll also need some cooking oil. I use vegetable oil. You can use canola or peanut oil. It's up to your taste preference. When you open your can, the salmon is going to present in a roll like this, and it's just the fillets rolled up to fit the can. I added them to my bowl, and it looks like this when I took it out the can. As you separate the fillets, they're going to look like this, and you'll see skin and bones. You want to remove the skin from the fillets and as many bones as you can possibly find. The bones are soft, they're not going to hurt you, but it just makes for a better presentation without the bones and skin. I use my empty can as a garbage bowl, and then you want to throw this out that same night, or else when you wake up in the morning, your house is going to smell of fish. I've separated the fillets and kind of flaked them up into the bowl like this. Now I'm adding my onion, my flour, my egg, and then I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can use ground white pepper. And then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. And like I say, if you don't have Himalayan pink salt, it's okay to use the standard table salt. I just prefer the Himalayan pink salt. Once you try it, you'll never go back. You're going to mix your salmon until it looks like this. At this point, I want to get my pan ready, and you just add enough oil to cover the bottom. And while the oil heats up, then you can pat out your croquettes. I was able to achieve 7 equal size patties or croquettes out of what I mixed up. Some people add crackers to kind of stretch it. I prefer not to. The oil is hot at this point, so I'm going to add my croquettes. And you want to leave a little space in between them so that they'll brown evenly and that you'll be able to turn them without difficulty. These salmon croquettes are going to cook for approximately 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Everybody's stoves are slightly different. At this point, I've turned my croquettes, and you can see how nice and golden brown they are. And I'm going to let them continue to cook. Then I'll take them out and drain them on this paper towel onto this platter. This is how I chose to serve my croquettes, with just some white rice and butter and a biscuit. Doesn't this look good? I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.